Oh, hello there. I'm the Silly Little Beaver, and I have another adventure to share. The story you're about to read is called Playday in the Sun. It's about how not wearing sunscreen can truly ruin your fun. I just love sharing my adventures, and I hope you like them too. Anyway, I thought I would stop by and tell you a little bit about this book, kind of a preview. Thank you so much for your support, and enjoy the book! Now it's time for me to find a snack. Oh, bye-bye!
Out comes a beaver, jumping on wood. Silly little beaver, jumping on wood. Out comes the beaver, jumping on wood. Silly little beaver, jumping on wood. The Adventures of the Silly Little Beaver. Playday in the Sun. Written and narrated by Luke Deline. Illustrated by Lily The Loon. After a quick nap, the Silly Little Beaver felt ready.
Oh no!
He yelled.
I'm all sweaty! That water sure looks nice,
he said as he looked down. It was super hot that day in Beaver Town. As he looked out over the lake, he saw Lily the Loon, who'd been in the water all day, singing a beautiful tune.
Hi there!
Lily yelled.
I can see sweat on your face. Jump in the water, but watch out below. There's a large rock in that space.
The Silly Little Beaver jumped in the lake and splashed all around, playing with his friend Lily and everyone else who was there from town. He thought nothing of the bright sun and his bare skin at first.
I need a break,
he said after a while,
to get a drink for my thirst.
Bring back some juice for me, if you'd please,
Lily said as she swam.
Anything for you,
replied the Silly Little Beaver as he climbed up on his dam. As he reached the top and was about to go in, he stopped suddenly and yelled,
I have sunburn on my skin! Oh, I was in such a hurry to play in the lake.
the Silly Little Beaver continued.
I didn't put sunscreen on. And now I ache.
He got the juice and handed it to Lily to drink. Then he sat in the shade because his bare skin had turned bright pink. As all of his friends played in the water with the sun high in the sky, all the Silly Little Beaver could do was think about the sunscreen he forgot to apply. As he sat there alone, he quietly declared,
Next time it's hot, I will be better prepared.
The end.
Thank you for watching the animated version of my book series, The Adventures of the Silly Little Beaver. We have many more books being released soon, so please click on the subscribe button now. Thank you again, and enjoy your day. I'm off to find some wood to eat now. Bye-bye!